sorry I couldn't be there in person to hand out the certificates today. I'm actually off with our second group of scuba divers, but what I wanted to do today is I want to introduce you to our first group of Southern Cross scuba divers who have just done their open water certifications. So they are qualified now to be able to go out on the reef with a buddy down to 18 meters and come out and help us doing our surveying with Reef Guardians. If you would like to be involved in the Reef Guardians program that we're doing and learn how to scuba dive or come out snorkeling with us on the reef, come to our meetings in O2 Wednesday second break and find out more. Currently there are still openings for our scuba diving trip in October, so come to the office or come and see me and grab some forms for that. We also have opened up our snorkeling course and surveying for the juniors, so year 7 to year 9. So come on down to the office and grab that pack. We're doing 2 courses. We're doing one in August and also September as well. But without further ado, I will pass over to everyone else now on stage to hand out the certificates. Well done.